In this video, I like to talk about Siteground. Today is March 22nd, year 2022, and today is Siteground's 18th birthday. Happy birthday, Siteground. And they have three special offers. One is 73% off web hosting, the other one is free site transfer, the last one is 3 months free site scanner. So the reasons why I like SiteGround, it is very faster, say 500 faster. It is very secure, very ease of use, and it has a good customer service available 24/7. So let's go and check web hosting plan, view plans. You can see here are the three shared plans. uh, I remember like 1 or 2 years ago, this was their plan. Back then, the monthly monthly payment was higher, much higher. You can say back then the startup plan was $6.99, and today is $3.99. So now you're paying half of the price. So it's a good deal. So so this is the basic plan called startup plan, and it's the cheapest one. And the next plan is grow big plan. Uh, this one is the most popular plan. And the last plan called go geek plan, that one is the expensive plan. Also it has the most features. Uh, so the difference between the startup plan and the grow big plan, the startup plan you can get only one website, and also it gives you like a moderate monthly visits traffic. uh, and the grow big plan, you will get unlimited websites. You get like staggering 100,000 monthly visits. So of course all three plans come with free WordPress installation, uh, free SSL security, and this one, the daily backup. I know like some other web hosting companies, they don't offer daily backup. So this one is a bonus, and free CDN. This gives your website run faster, and the other one is free email. So that's a good one. So the next one I like to show you is the size tool. Size tool where you can manage your website. So looks like it's very clean a look, and looks like it's very organized. It's not messy. So here you can check your security, SSL, and you can adjust the speed, and also it offers the Cloudflare. The Cloudflare uh, is a tool that speed up your website. So that's and it's also the basic plan you can get for free, and that's a good feature. And of course the WordPress, and the other features SiteGround offer is the site builder or the VB site builder. And for this you don't need to have a coding knowledge. So the other one, I already mentioned the Cloudflare, which offers to run faster your website, and the SG site scanner is protect your website, and get 3 months free now, and offer, of course, free SSL. Um, and the last one is, even though WordPress .org, if you go to hosting, WordPress hosting recommend three web hosting. One is Bluehost, the next one is DreamHost, and the last one is SiteGround. Even WordPress website recommends SiteGround. So I just want to say, SiteGround may not the cheapest web hosting, but I know for sure it is one of the best web hosting available today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.